R-52 viewers. Here should be a Hunter R-52. Basically the older version of one of those Hunter originals. Let's go ahead and get these boxes open. Not open yet, obviously, that's why I have the knife. Let's get the motor open first. One side open, one side open. There we go. It's a box, got a box. There she is. Let's see if I can pull this thing out carefully. First of all, there's the canopy. Nice. This fan came off of eBay. Put the phone down for a second so I get the thing out. Pause it. Alright. While doing that, I took the liberty to untape the box for the blades. Either way, here's the motor. Well, it's painted over in red. Holy crap, is that thing stiff. Let's see if I can loosen that up. Yeah. I'm not gonna worry about it right now. I'm not sure if the pull chain's in there. I have to check. See if I can get that out of there. See if I can show you guys the tag. There we go. Not sure how good it's gonna come up in here. Amps. Alright, now let's get the blades out. Alright. Oh, or tape. Good thing I propped it. Where to put the knife at? Shipper went through really good, expensive packing, which is good. Looks like the down rod's in here too. So that is one blade, two blade, three white, three blade, four blade. Lots of poppy pigments. Packing up, except for when I get all over the floor. Alright, I'm gonna be soggy. I blocked the camera, but here we have the four blades. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap them, so give me one more second. Alright, so got everything unpacked. So there's the canopy and the down rod. Down rod is missing the grommet. I should have a replacement one somewhere. I can ask Wesley. I'm sure he has one. Canopy's in decent shape. And it's the four blades. All look to be in perfect shape. I will be doing a full restore on this fan. I'm going to be redoing the wiring, all that. I'm not going to redo the coils. The coils will be exactly the same. I want to show you. Spins nice and smooth. So this fan was taken care of through its life, which is very good. So we'll be getting a full cleaning. This fan will be one of my projects, and I will enjoy it. I'm going to do a rough test. I'm just going to put oil on it, see if I can get the bleed mechanism loose. It looks like it was over tightened. So I'm going to see if I can get that done. But yeah, for the most part, everything seems like it's here. Stay tuned.